Yeah, okay, you're wondering why I'm in my kitchen and not my workshop, right? Well, on my website, concordcarpenter.com, I have this section where you can ask questions, and I get a ton of questions, believe it or not, about kitchen odors. As a remodeler, we run into this stuff, I guess. People ask what the odor coming from their disposal is, or even how to clean their disposal. It's funny, some of these things are so basic, but people need to know. So most odors come out of the garbage disposal. They're actually coming from food slime buildup, and that's usually on the splash guard. The splash guard is the removable black rubber kind of flap that sits on top of the sink drain hole. And folks, you can simply fix this by just pulling that rubber flap out and cleaning it with soap water and a brush, or toss it in the top rack of your dishwasher. Now, garbage disposals do not have sharp blades. Instead, they have these things called impellers that use centrifugal force to spin food up against a stationary grinding ring. Now, as time goes on, slime builds up on these walls, the ring, the impellers, in the garbage disposal, and it smells. There's a few common household ingredients that you can use to just quickly and effortlessly get rid of it. And I've been using this for years. It's ice cubes, a tablespoon of bleach, a tablespoon of baking soda, and a half lemon, quartered. Now the ice cubes help break up any food and slime stuck in the disposal, while the baking soda and bleach just kill germs, and the lemon deodorizes. So a couple of the steps, here's how I use it. With the disposal and the water turned off, I put approximately a half dozen ice cubes into the chamber, the disposal chamber. I add the 1 tablespoon of bleach and baking soda, and then I drop in that lemon. After the lemon, I throw in another half dozen or so ice cubes on top. Then I step back, turn the disposal on without any water running, and I let it run until the grinding stops. Then while the motor is still running, just flip on the cold water and let it flush for about 30 seconds. Now, that's it, you're done. It smells great, you're done for months. There's some general uses though that you can do to keep gunk and odors down or to a minimum, and that is to use your water before, during, and after the grinding stops on your disposal. This will help clear the plumbing P-trap underneath the sink and allow food to thoroughly just pass through everything and get out of the disposal. Beyond that though, there's not much, beyond occasional cleaning, I should say, there's not much you can do as far as maintenance. They don't require a lot of maintenance. There are a few things or items that you should avoid though putting into your disposal, such as grease, eggshells, coffee grounds, starchy foods, plastic pieces, bones, stuff like that. These items, they should just be tossed in the trash barrel. Also, you should probably avoid fibrous vegetables, putting them through the grinder, celery stalks, corn husks. These items, they belong in the trash as well. They don't belong in the disposal. Guys, I hope this tip helped. I wanted to answer you guys via video. If you enjoyed the tip, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and of course subscribe and hit that notification bell right there. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you at the next tip. Take care.